Your mind is under attack every day, and it's because you're chosen. Most people don't know this, but the biggest battles that God's chosen will fight aren't happening in their relationships, their finances, or their environment. It's happening right here, the one place that nobody else can see. And the crazy thing is, most chosen people, they spend their whole life thinking something's wrong with them, when really something's right with them. It's like the deeper that you step into your purpose, the more your mind starts to fight you. But it's not because you're weak. It's because the enemy, he sees what God put in you. Have you ever noticed that every time you try to grow, your thoughts get louder? Every time you try to leave that old life behind, the doubt comes back. Every time you try to become a better man, woman, parent, or a partner, the enemy, he hits you in that one place that he knows will slow you down, and it's your mind. Because if he can't break you physically, he's going to try to exhaust you mentally. And if he can't stop your elevation, he's going to try to overwhelm your thoughts until you walk away from it. Chosen people, they don't lose because they're not gifted. They lose because they get tired in the mind. But here's the part that nobody tells you. God, he allows that war to hit your mind first, because your mind is where elevation begins. Look at every story of somebody that God elevated. David, he didn't fight Goliath first. He fought his doubts first. Moses, he didn't fight Pharaoh first. He fought his insecurities first. And Jesus, he didn't confront the crowds first. He went into the wilderness to fight temptation. But why? Because the battlefield of the mind is where God trains his chosen. You don't get elevated until your mindset can carry the elevation. God won't put a crown on a mind that collapses under pressure. So he strengthens you privately before he blesses you in public. People around you, they think you're overthinking. You're too emotional, too intense. They have no idea of the weight that you're carrying. They don't know what it's like to wake up with a purpose on your back. They don't know what it's like to feel God pulling you into a higher version of yourself, while the enemy is trying to drag you back into who you used to be. They don't know that your silence, it isn't weakness, it's warfare. They don't know that your tiredness, it isn't laziness, it's spiritual resistance. The chosen, they don't get attacked because they're fragile. They get attacked because they're valuable. The enemy, he's not going to waste his ammo on people that aren't a threat. And I know what you're thinking. If God loves me, why does he let me fight this alone? But the truth is, you're never alone. You're being built. See, God will let you feel that pressure so you can handle the promotion. The mental battle that you have right now, it's not a sign that God left you. It's a sign that God is with you. He's shifting you, stretching you, and strengthening you for this life that he's about to trust you with. Do you know what the enemy hates the most? One of God's chosen people that refuses to quit. A chosen one that keeps getting up, no matter how heavy his mind gets. You're not losing this war, you're just learning how to win it. Your thoughts, they're not out of control, they're just being reshaped. If you're feeling this war every day, you're not crazy, and you're definitely not alone. This channel was for you. It's for the chosen warriors that have to fight silent battles that most will never have to survive. If you're tired of fighting this war alone, then hit that subscribe button. We're building a community of chosen ones that are rising up together.